Once again, we'd like to thank the color guard. There it is. The room is cut. The place is open.
Right now, everybody's locked in. We'll let you give us a little bit of help. We'll count down from 3 for those famous words. 3, 2, 1. Gentlemen, start your engines. 4, 5.
All right, get it up. All right. Oh. And how many gears does the car have?
This one's got 3.
3 gears.
Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Pumped? Get him in my helmet. It's going?
Yes. Okay.
Is that your dad there with you today?
Yeah, that's my dad.
Nice.
All right, let's do this.
Go fast, turn left, huh?
Yeah, go fast, turn left. That's all I really want to do in life.
That's it, me too.
Mm-hmm.
Share the same passion.
Yes, I do.
So you went to the race at California Speedway?
Yes, I did. Or Auto Club Speedway. That's what
Auto
it's
Club
called.
Speedway?
Yeah, it was a great race. I loved it there. I even went to the Clash to Coliseum.
Oh, that was super cool, huh?
Oh yeah, it was amazing. It was such an awesome race. I loved it.
Yeah. Super fun.
Uh-huh. One of the best NASCAR races I ever seen in a long time. You also got sparkle gloves too.
That's it. I got the black ones. I'm jealous of your blue ones.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry.
Blue matches my car better, you know?
Yeah. I'm sure that I'm I'm sure that there's still drivers out there, so I think we gotta wait for the all clear signal.
Yeah.
But that's fine. At least waiting is a good thing because I could get the hype.
Exactly. All right. Ready to have some fun?
Oh, heck yes I am, man.
All right. If anytime you want to stop, just tap this bar. All right.
No need.
Okay.
No need, cause I want to go fast, mama.
Sounds good to me.
Are you on radio?
Yeah, but I'm good.
Okay. Well, what's his name is going up, so
Okay.
yeah, you're good. Whatever you want.
All right, Trevor, give me some shake and bake.
Let's have some fun. Shake and
All
bake,
right.
baby, right?
Uh huh.
They're just clearing the track and it'll be all us.
All right. I hear there's a drag racing event going on over there.
There is. It's I'm not sure what it is over there, but there's some sort of car.
Yeah.
All right, so you see my visor?
I can see your visor.
Pull it down like this. That's perfect. That's just so we don't get some dust in our eyes.
Yeah, very smart move.
All right, you ready?
Oh yeah, let's go.
All right.
Let's go. Woohoo! awesome.
You have fun?
Mm-hmm. Oh my god.
Pretty crazy, huh?
Oh yeah, insane. Oh my god, man. That was so awesome, Trevor.
Good job, dude.
Mm-hmm.
Thanks for coming out, huh?
Thank you. The other one. The other seat got stuck on me. There we go, got it.
Learn, you know how to drive.
No, baby. Yeah. Oh my god, man, that was so freaking awesome. Alright.
No problem. Good job. Oh yeah, you was ready to go.